Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another one of the amazing Canadian universities best known for south of the border, McGill University. Well, if you are on your college admission journey, I want to tell you that I have created a super powerful guide that is free to download just for you because a lot of people have been asking me how to shortlist the right universities, and that's what I've made it for you. And you can literally save a ton of your hours and more importantly, will save you from a lot of stress. It's one guide you must have for shortlisting your colleges to apply to. You can download the guide by clicking on the link in the description box. For this video, I will give you an in-depth view of the university and will decode the academic, social and financial aspects of the university with my star ratings. And then I will offer you the most important tips and strategies to get into this university. Make sure to listen closely as I'll be sharing some of the most amazing strategies to get into McGill University. Let's hit it up for McGill University. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. McGill University is a public research university located in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It was founded in 1821. It was known as McGill College when it was first established and then was renamed as McGill University in 1885. It's named after the Scottish merchant James McGill who donated property for the college. McGill has a great alumni network with 16 billionaires, former prime ministers of Canada, more than 100 members of national legislatures and 8 Academy Award winners, 10 Grammy Award winners and at least 13 Emmy Award winners and 4 Pulitzer Prize winners. So the list goes on. With such an amazing alumni network, McGill has much more to offer to anyone who's interested in being part of this amazing legacy. McGill University is located in Montreal in the city center. The city is the second most populous city in Canada. It is very nature friendly and has a lot to offer to visitors in terms of things to do. You will find enough locations to socialize with your friends and family. McGill's 80-acre main campus located in downtown Montreal amid the hustle and bustle. Campus buildings range from Gothic-like structure with vines growing up the sides to more modern structures. The campus is filled with beautiful trees and the distant trail of Mont Royal provides students with ample natural beauty. All colleges at the campus are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. Notable facilities include a $71 million life sciences research complex. The most popular majors at McGill include psychology, political science, commerce, education, medicine, law and engineering. Although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, but to put things into perspective, McGill is one of the top 20% universities in the world. Alright, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. The academics at McGill are competitive. It offers about 300 undergraduate programs and over 400 postgraduate programs in more than 80 departments. On top of that, many programs are continued study and executive education. University's general education requirements, students must first choose which discipline or faculty to enter. Freshmen must accumulate 6 to 12 credits in 3 to 4 disciplines, including language, math and science, social science, and humanities, and declare a major before their sophomore year. There's no such requirement for the postgraduate degrees. But for postgraduate students, make sure to get in touch with the professor early on because many programs require you to have a professor approval before admission. Make sure to check that requirement early in the process. Although the most popular majors are psychology, political science, commerce, and education, the university's main strengths also lie in pre-professional programs such as medicine, law, and engineering. The sciences receive regular praise, as does the School of Environment. Several programs help students with the transition to college, and some are tailored to international students, which includes those from the United States. Research is an important part of college life here. Researchers at McGill are affiliated with about 75 major research centers and networks and are engaged in extensive array of research partnerships with other universities, government and industry in Quebec and Canada, throughout North America and in dozens of other countries. McGill offers a lot of study abroad programs for its students as well in different formats, including semesters at partner schools abroad. The faculty at McGill is amazing. The quality of teaching is generally very good. Many of the professors are kind, intelligent, and devoted to their students. The faculty includes 12 Nobel laureates and 147 Rhodes Scholars, both on most of any universities in Canada. The class size at McGill is average to large. Classes tend to be large and some introductory courses can enroll up to 1,000 students. Yes, it could be so big. And students must be willing to seek out professors and advisors. Senior classes stay between 50 to 100 mark, and so is postgraduate classes. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate McGill with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. Well, after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at McGill is happening. McGill offers a lot of societies and clubs for students to be a part of. You can find all areas of interest catered to one or the other society. In case you can't find one that you like, you can create one as well. It supports more than 250 student-run membership clubs, which range from athletics, health and wellness, arts and cultural groups to professional development, charitable, voluntary and political associations. Apart from that, many other activities are there for students. A cultural epicenter, Montreal is home to some of the world's best museums, galleries, restaurants, shops and music. There are always free concerts and festivals all over the city throughout the year. New York City, Ottawa, and Toronto are popular road trip destinations, and ski slopes are less than an hour away. Well attended campus events include homecoming, winter carnival, and frosh activities during orientation week. The environment is so relaxing that it compensates for the pressure of your competitive academics. McGill has about 40,000 students, with about 26,000 as undergrad and remaining as PGs and PhD. The university has about 30% student body as international student, and McGill is trying regularly to attract international students to keep the campus a diverse place. Housing is limited at McGill. Small percentage of undergrad live on dorms, apartments, and shared facilities houses. Party lovers will feel free to cramp up the stereo on Molson and McGonigal halls, while bookworms might be better suited for Gardner. Hardly any postgraduates live on campus. Off-campus apartments are a popular alternative housing. Many of these are who will take advantage of Montreal's clean and affordable housing. For McGill students, the dining facilities are good. The quality and variety are good as well. Apart from college meal plans, a lot of on and off-campus food and beverage joints and options are available for students. McGill is big on sports as well. Men's and women's basketball and ice hockey, men's rugby, and women's soccer are among the most popular varsity sports. Men's baseball and women's basketball and synchronized swimming have captured recent national championship. McGill has about 121 Olympians with over 35 Olympic medals. McGill offers competitive academics and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on the quality of life at McGill. Now let's look at the financial fit. McGill falls in an affordable school category, but the expenditure depends on the program you're applying to. You can expect anything about 50,000 Canadian dollars to 60,000 Canadian dollars in annual tuition expenses. Housing and dining may fall about 12 to 15,000 Canadian dollars for most. As far as financial aid is concerned, McGill offers a lot of opportunities based on merit, averaging 10 to 20,000 Canadian dollars. Qualified students are eligible for merit scholarships and a limited number of awards for athletes. There is also a work-study program for those in need of financial assistance. McGill offers a merit-based entrance scholarship program and needs-based entrance bursary program to first-time university students entering a full-time undergraduate degree program. Make sure to check your eligibility on the university website. The deadline is generally a week after you submit your application, and it requires a separate application, so make sure to prepare in advance. Overall, I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Well, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of getting into McGill with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admissions. McGill's acceptance rate ranges between about 40 to 50% overall, but it's lower for the international students. When it comes to international students, McGill is extremely selective, given limited seats dedicated to international admission. The application procedure, though, is academic. It heavily relies on the academic achievements of one's profile. All applicants, regardless of the country of origin or educational background, must be top of the class. McGill accepts candidates to demonstrate a deep commitment to a pursuit of excellence in academic work. This means scoring above 85% or about 40 IB points out of 42, and around 3.5 GPA and above for undergraduate students, and a GPA of minimum 7 but preferably about 8 and above for postgraduate students. Along with it, your academic grades and standardized scores like SAT and ACT for undergraduate and GRE and GMAT for postgraduates is a deciding factor, though it is not mandatory for everyone. So do check out whether you are required to take these exams or not on the university website. Basically, they are looking to see whether you can handle the rigorous and intense academic program at McGill, and you must have good academic records to prove it. Your co-curricular activities and social or voluntary work involvement also plays an important role in the decision. Along with this, McGill also looks for whether you have a passion for the program that you're applying to or not. Showing that you are really interested in the program that you're applying to through your essays or SOP is a great tip for getting into McGill. Before starting applications, contact the department offering your program in order to establish a relationship. That's another tip. As stated earlier, for masters, you will need to find a supervisor as well. View faculty member profiles to identify potential supervisors with similar research interest. The primary language of instruction at McGill is English, for which international students need to show IELTS or TOEFL test results. French is used a lot as well, so having some basic knowledge in the language can come in handy too. McGill's application process is similar to most US universities. Both postgraduates and undergraduates follow the same procedure. It works in two-step process. First is submitting an application through McGill's application portal. Second, you will receive an email to create an account for the McGill portal, where you will have to provide necessary documents and university-specific essay questions. The deadline dates for most undergraduate programs are January 15th of the same year you start your college. For postgraduate, the deadline varies between October to January. Some programs at postgraduate level consist of an interview, which is either face-to-face or online, whichever is the preferred medium. But in the end, to conclude, if you're social, nature-loving, hardworking, research-oriented, okay with intense workload, enjoy life and social gatherings, and a good leader, McGill is for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Well, please make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel by hit that bell icon. Well, once again, thank you so much, and I will see you very shortly with another video on career, college admission, living extraordinary. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.